written in the Quran that every human being is by nature a Muslim except the rebellious devil. So when we accept Islam, we're not converting to another religion. We are accepting what belongs to us, what is our nature, and then the next step is to be yourself. Some people think when you become a Muslim, you are being made into an Arab or some other ethnic or cultural group, but Islam belongs to every human being. It is their rightful possession. So when the Holy Prophet came or was raised in Arabia, he was the final representative of this religious system that did not begin with him. Islam is as old as Allah himself. And since Allah has no beginning, neither does Islam. So all the prophets that came before Prophet Muhammad were Muslims. So Jesus was a Muslim. Musa was a Muslim. Ibrahim was a Muslim. And what is a Muslim? This nature of God. The Quran says, set your face for religion, being upright, the nature made by Allah in which He has created man. So when we are Muslims, we are accepting our nature, which is uprightness. Now, as we come into the world, we come in laying horizontal. And after a while, with no teacher, we begin to crawl. And our back is almost at a 33-degree or 45-degree, but we're looking for something strong to pull up on. And then we pull up into uprightness physically, and then we walk upright. Well, that is what Islam is. It is uprightness. It is being morally correct. And when you are correct morally and in submission to the will of God, you are called a Muslim.